Insulin is a hormone that helps the body process glucose. By enhancing the function of insulin, regular exercise improves glucose homeostasis. But not everyone who follows an exercise program experiences the same level of improvement. Different responses to exercise have been linked to a polymorphism in the LIPC gene. In a study of 662 healthy subjects, individuals with the CC or CT variant had significant improvements in insulin function after exercising on a stationary bike for 30 to 50 minutes, 3 days per week, for 20 weeks. Participants with the less common TT variant had only modest improvements, suggesting that people with this variant may require a more comprehensive approach to support and maintain glucose homeostasis.